Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Anastasia Nengla Fitri, Program Study Management Informatika. I second semester. Tourism is one of the large industries growing rapidly in those days. Various countries make tourism a mainstay for tourist destination. Currently, tourism has become one of the large industries in the world. Countries and territories such as Thailand, Singapore, the Philippines, Fiji, the Maldives, Hawaii, Tonga, the Galapagos, Barbados, the Caribbean Islands, and so on are very dependent on voyage agent obtained for tourist arrival. The natural tourist part in this case is the Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park. Punti Kayu is the only one natural tourist recreation are for families located in the center of Palembang City, South Sumatra. Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park is a registered 5.1 R.1 designed as a conservation forest area. On February 13, 137 hectare tourist development part of the Punti Kayu area was removed from the 48-hectare forest area through the approval letter of the Director General of Forestry, Department of Agriculture number 1037 and 7 date April 26, 1528. The 48-hectare areas that were released can be delineated according to the minutes. Boundary arrangement that January 2006, which was ratified by the Director General of Forestry and Minister and Agriculture on January 26, 10582. 1 and 2 problem formulation based on the background explained about the problem formulation is as follows. 1. What is the strategy for developing the Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park? As a tourist attraction for families or for tourists in the city of Palembang. 2. What activities are carried out to support its activities? Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park as a tourist attraction for families and outside tourists in Palembang City. 1 and 3 problem limitation. Delimiting a problem is used to avoid definition or wide the main problem so that the activity is more focused and smooth in implementation and the activity objective will be achieved. In this activity, the scope of the problem is the strategy for developing the Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park as a family tourist attraction and supporting activities for the existence of the Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park as a tourist activation for families and outside tourists in Palembang City. 1 and 4. Activity objective. The aim of writing this lesson for is to restore the level of visitor to Punti Kayu Tourist Park so that it becomes a tourist attraction for families and for foreign tourists, so that the image of Punti Kayu Tourist Park returns. 1 and 5. Benefit of activities. The benefit of these activities are 1. Theoretical benefit for me. This means knowing the strategy for developing the Punti Kayu Tourist Park and knowing what activities support the Punti Kayu Nature Tourist Park. 2. Practitioner benefit. 1. For the government input and consideration of alternative strategies in increasing the development of the Punti Kayu Tourist Park. 2. For academic the expansions, academic benefit are the result of this activity used as a reference in formulating strategic policies. Development of tourist attraction and also useful for use reference for students conducting studies on development of tourist attraction. 1 and 6. Writing systematic. Writing systematic are created to make preparation easier. The scientific work needs to be done to determine good writing system. The writing system is as follows. Chapter 1. Introduction. The introductory chapters contain the breakdown to the problem, which was appointment and this basis for implementing activity for realizing the goals to be achievement at the target by using certain methods. Chapter 2. Theoretical Analytical-based contains theories used in activity system design and creation. Chapter 3, Research Method. In this section, the activity method and present carried out in design and implementation. Chapter 4, Data Analysis and Discussion. Presenting the result of the activity stage, starting from analysis, result, and implementation. Chapter Construction and Recommendation contain construction and suggestion for a commitment and excitement from carrying out activities. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention.